toxic wife. These two words are the ultimate terror for most men, and rightly so. The truth is, many men are stuck in marriages that are like a slow-burning dumpster fire. They're trapped in a toxic hellhole with a woman who despises them and treats them with disrespect and contempt. If this sounds familiar to you, then pay close attention, because what you're about to learn in this video might be the only thing standing between your marriage surviving and a divorce lawyer bleeding you dry. And here's a disclaimer: you're going to get nothing but the unfiltered truth from me, so it might hurt, especially if it hits too close to home. My job is to show you what works, not to comfort you with fake niceties. Since what you need is the truth, let me first hit you with a strong dose right out of the gate. Your wife has turned toxic because of you. Because, here's the thing, a toxic wife doesn't stay at the same level of toxic. Her toxicity worsens. Each day it goes unchecked. The fact is that you did nothing to stop her, and as the result, the poison has sunk deep into your marriage. And now detoxifying her is no longer optional, but a matter of survival. But before you go charging in, you need to know, is she actually toxic, or is she just being extra naggy for some reason? Because there's a real difference, and confusing the two will cost you dearly. So, to help you out, here are the 3 biggest signs your wife is genuinely toxic. Spot even one of these, and you need to act fast, and I'll tell you how in just a moment. The first sign is, your marriage feels like a power struggle. Either she's actively trying to yank the leadership position under you, or you made the catastrophically stupid mistake of agreeing to co-equal authority in your household. Both scenarios produce the same result. They feed into your wife's insecurity. She can't articulate why, so instead of talking about it like a rational adult, she acts out by turning toxic. So that's sign 1, power struggle in the marriage where she fights instead of submitting to you. The second sign is she disrespects you, in private and especially in public. Deep down, women know exactly what hurts a man most: disrespect. And if she's doing it in front of other people, it's not accidental at all. Instead, it's a calculated strike at your masculinity, a direct challenge against your leadership and authority over her as her husband. So, if your wife openly disrespects you in front of friends, family, strangers, or whoever, she's at her toxic worst. And she is almost certainly doing it on purpose. The third sign is that the more you appease her, the worse she gets. This is the most common indicator of a toxic wife. You bend over backwards trying to make her happy. You agree with her on everything to appease her. But instead of softening up, she gets even more toxic, not less. As I teach in Shogun Method at shogunmethod.com, appeasement never appeases women. In fact, it feeds resentment and builds contempt. So how many of these 3 signs do you see in your own marriage? The truth is that even one sign is one too many. If you're stuck with a toxic wife, you must put everything else on pause and focus on detoxifying her right here, right now. But before we get to the specific detox strategies, let's answer the more important question first. What's the root cause of all this toxicity? At shogunmethod.net, we are a brotherhood of men worldwide who do exactly one thing: study how the female mind works in relationships and marriage. Every day, we sift through the science, test theories, and share among ourselves what truly works. People call us seduction scientists, and that's a fitting description. To continue, you should get up to speed with our latest findings by downloading the report at irreversible.com. Pause this video and go to irreversible.com to download for free, and come back here when you're done. Specifically, here's our most important insight on toxic wives after years of research. All toxicity in a marriage traces back to a single root cause: the loss of attraction. Let's face it, the reason behind all this shit is that your wife has stopped feeling attracted to you. As a result, she feels insecure, cheated, like she was scammed into marrying a weak man. And so she does what every woman does when her man goes soft on her. She acts out like a bitch. This is a subconscious reaction, and all she's trying to do is to provoke you into manning up again. Here's the kicker. As this is subconscious, she doesn't even know she's doing it. It's her primal instinct, honed by hundreds of thousands of years of human evolution. In fact, her subconscious is trying to do something good, and that's to restore your strength and dominance in the marriage as the masculine leader. Think of her toxicity as the female response to male weakness, a flashing red warning sign that you could ignore only at your own peril. So, we now know the root cause of a woman's toxicity in a marriage. So, what could you actually do to detoxify her? You use what Shogun method practitioners call the 3D detoxifier strategy. In Shogun method lexicon, 3D stands for desolation, deceit, and danger. These are 3 traits you need to develop in yourself. Remember, the reason your wife is toxic is that you've regressed. You stopped being the dominant strongman she married, and so the fix has to start with you, not her. Let's get into the 3D strategy in detail. The first D stands for desolation. Desolation means you become 100% comfortable living with and for yourself. Your purpose must rank higher than her happiness and well-being, period. This means you need a mission in life that's bigger than your wife or your marriage. It's a mission so compelling that even if she walked out tomorrow, your life would still have meaning and direction. That's the first D, desolation. Without it, the other 2 won't stick. Desolation also means independence as a man. You're not defined by your marriage or your role as a provider to her, but by your mission and purpose as a virtuous masculine. The second D stands for deceit. Deceit means you're 100% comfortable doing whatever it takes to get the results you want. And yes, that includes influencing your wife's thoughts and decisions by any means necessary. It means you should tell a well-placed white lie to make her less toxic and more supportive. And it means you stop being squeamish about using psychological leverage on her. Remember, deceit isn't evil if your intentions are good and when it produces good outcomes. The truth is, real power is rarely clean and is often manipulative. As I teach in Shogun Method at shogunmethod.com, being shrewd is not only good, it's often absolutely necessary to achieve your noble goals. The third and final D in the 3D strategy stands for danger. Let me be clear. This isn't about exposing your wife to physical danger. Instead, it's about putting her in a controlled environment where she experiences some emotional stress, only for you to relieve it later. So instead of appeasing her, you should be challenging her. If an argument sprouts up, grab the opportunity to push her into uncomfortable situations. And then, crucially, you should be the one who resolves the tension and brings her relief. When you do this consistently, something shifts. This may sound strange, but women love tension and release. And if you're the one who keeps supplying her with the relief from tension, she starts seeing you as her anchor and her pillar of strength. You're not just her husband anymore. Instead, you're her leader and her hero. You're the man she'll gladly submit to. And that is precisely what she's been acting out to get you to become. That's the Shogun Method 3D detoxifier strategy for you in brief. Truly, that's your ticket to fixing your toxic marriage and actually getting to happily ever after, for real. With Shogun Method, she'll be as subservient to you as long as you want if you push her to the emotional enslavement stage in the irreversible model. Again, if you haven't done so yet, download the free book at irreversible.com and learn about emotional enslavement. This will change your life completely, believe me. One last thing. Like everything else in Shogun Method, the 3D detoxifier strategy isn't exactly warm and fuzzy. If you're not ready yet, I understand. So here's where to start. Forget desolation and deceit for now. Focus entirely on the third D, danger. Specifically, use a variation of danger that only involves storytelling. In psychotherapy and hypnosis circles, we call it fractionation. And like any Shogun Method tactic, it surely ain't politically correct. But trust me, it's darn effective. And it's the fastest, most reliable tool in the Shogun Method arsenal for detoxifying even the most toxic woman in the history of mankind since Eve in the Garden of Eden. To learn fractionation, nothing beats the free Shogun Method online masterclass at fractionation.org. There, you'll learn exactly what fractionation is, how it works, and how to deploy it on your wife starting today. Remember, you're running out of time. Your wife isn't getting less toxic while you sit on the fence. Every day you wait, the downward spiral goes worse, and the deeper you fall into the hole, the harder it is to get out. So, here's what to do next. Join the Shogun Method online masterclass. Scroll down and find the first comment under this video. Click the link, or go directly to this site, fractionation.org.